Hey guys, just wanted to show you this little addition to the micro hydro I got going in the brook down here. I added another big pulley on this side, which is another bicycle rim, 24 inch, 22 inch, whatever they are, down to this old bench grinder that I found at the dump that didn't work. So I put a small pulley on one end of this bench grinder. On the other side of the bench grinder, I added a piece of 3/4 plywood with a bicycle sprocket on that. And I have a ceiling fan motor here. It's chain driven. I still have the original generator turning pretty well up here. So now I got two generators running off this one wheel here, one water wheel. The ceiling fan motor is actually putting out somewhere around 90 volts, which is pretty good. Of course, there's no load on that ceiling fan motor yet. If any of you guys out there know how I could send this three-phase up to my battery bank together, leave me a comment. Either that or I'm going to have to switch it to DC current and run it from here all the way up to the house as DC, way up there. I'd like to run it up there AC. I'm not really sure how to do it. I've tried it once with a few diodes. Didn't seem to work too well, but alright guys, I'll try to get another video if I get this thing under a load. I could try to get an amp, short it out and get an amp reading here. I don't know what's going to happen. Probably tear it apart, but we'll give it a shot. It's only a little project. Oh yeah. Slowed it right down. Well, that's shorted. Actually, the sprocket started to slip on the other end of that. On the other end of this here, I must not have tightened the nut. But I'll try to give you another video to update it when I get it under a load, sending it up to my battery bank. Oh, there goes the nut. I don't know if you just heard that. Alright guys, thanks for watching.